Today, we're going to share 3 simple and budget-friendly ways to include more fruit into your everyday diet. Fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients and unique health benefits. Tip number 3. Fruit bowls. Easy to prepare and take on the go. Not only are they visually appealing and tasty, but they also provide a wide range of health benefits depending on the fruits you choose. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber and antioxidants that support heart health and aid in digestion. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support muscle function. Grapes contain resveratrol, which has been associated with heart health benefits. Each fruit here is unique in taste and offers a different texture or flavor. Feel free to experiment with a wide variety of fruits and serve with Greek yogurt. Tip number 2. Smoothies. Throw some bite-sized pieces of fruit into a blender with some ice for an easy, refreshing smoothie. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which support a healthy immune system and promote skin health. Mangoes are packed with vitamin A and vitamin C, promoting eye health and immune function. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Feel free to add almond milk and protein powder to make a delicious anytime drink. Tip number 1. Fruit-infused water. By infusing water with specific fruits, you can enjoy their unique health benefits while staying hydrated. Lemons are known for their high vitamin C content and can aid digestion and detoxification. Oranges provide vitamin C, which supports immune health and collagen synthesis. Berries, such as raspberries or blueberries, are rich in antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. Cucumbers are hydrating and contain vitamins and minerals that support skin health and hydration. From supporting heart health to boosting your immune system, these fruits offer a range of nutrients that contribute to your overall well-being. What is your favorite fruit and how do you like to eat it? Do you have a better tip? Let us know in the comments below.